Okay, so the important information in this question is that we've got $60 to spend, so that's our maximum. At the go-kart track, each lap costs $3.50. And we want to race as much as we can, but we still want to have $20 left over to buy the grandmother lunch. So if L is the number of laps, what inequality best represents this situation? Okay. Well, because each lap costs $3.50, what we're going to do is we're going to take $3.50 and multiply it by our variable L, because that's the number of laps. So like if we did 10 laps, we would do 350 times 10 to see how much we're spending on it, right? Now, if we just said that would be $60 at the most, that doesn't make sense because we still want $20 left over to buy the grandmother lunch. So we need to take that into account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the money that we're spending on laps, and then if we add the money that we're spending on lunch, that has to be $60 at the most. So I'm not going to say that it's equal to 60. I'm saying that it has to be less than or equal to 60. Because like even if we spent $40, that's fine. Like $60 is the most that we can spend. So that's why we're using an inequality in this situation. And then in order to solve this, you, of course, would first subtract 20 from both sides to get rid of that, and then divide 3.50 to get the number of laps you can do. Okay, that's all the help we'll give you for this question.